Okay, you're on.
Smell that, America? That is gunpowder.
How many is that, Mike?
That's 50 gunpowder loaded rockets. 51. Psych.
So, Mike, what exactly did we do?
Okay, what we did, we got the 50 firecrackers here. We have them all taped up. Then we broke other firecrackers in half, dumped the gunpowder all over. And now we have all these extra fuses. And then we have this. And now we're going to start rolling it up. And it's going to be more massive. Oh shit.
Make it nice and tight. Yeah, that's what I
It's
like.
not supposed to be tight. Well, I guess since he said make it nice and tight, we have to go back and make it nice and tight. If this compression doesn't work, in my case. We can fast forward this part when we edit it.
The hardcore.
Oh my god. This isn't gonna work.
It will do. Oh my god.
That, my friends, is called the America. No, count scale.
WMD.
See the black cat right there? That's legal shit right there. Put a Hitler stash on the kitty. Now you know it's for real. It's a Hitler stashed cat with pissed off eyes. Even more pissed off than it is. Now it looks like a fucking Neanderthal. I'm gonna put our names on it. Just kidding.
I already have my name on YouTube like 1,000 times.
I'm gonna put 50 plus. No, I mean on this. Like if someone were to find it.
Wow.
That's gonna be fucking crazy. This is gonna be fucking... I'm gonna light it with the hand of God.
As good as I am?
Yeah. Fuck! I don't even think I got it on tape. Alright, so on our way back, we got sidetracked and we stole a network inside. Which is way bigger than I thought it'd be. So don't tell my mom anything about it. And so now we're chilling in our boxers. We're chilling like villains. Check that out, sexy beast out.
That shit was fucking awesome, man.
Yeah, acting like you're stoned.
It was like fucking... It was like shiny. It was go ba 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 and smoke.
You're so stoned right now.
I'm not.
Who put all this shit on my wall?
Fucking decent.
So all in all, we decided gay sex is the way.
Trapped in a room. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh my god, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh god, what do I do? What do I do? What do I do? I'm alright. What's your name? That's cool. He doesn't know I'm recording this in his bedroom. I get home, I'm putting you on the internet.
What are you doing?
Yeah.